I'm Sam Vang here with Lenovo, and I wanted to show you some of our latest Legion products for CES 2020, right? So the first product I want to show you here is our Legion Y740S. This is actually our slimmest Legion laptop to date. As you can see here, incredibly thin. And the way we're able to do that is we actually didn't include a discrete graphics card in this product. The idea behind this product is a product designed for users who want a portable creative laptop, but also a product that will be able to game on the go and be able to dock the product. So the idea behind this product is to pair it with an eGPU, such as our new BoostStation. So our Legion BoostStation is a product that is new for us. This BoostStation is an eGPU that supports anywhere from AMD 5700 XT graphics card all the way up to a NVIDIA RTX 280 Super. Starting off, this product will be $249, and with that you get just the device, but then we'll also offer bundles with the RTX or AMD cards. All right, so that's a very cool product. It's Thunderbolt 3 capable. Obviously, you'll have the support for all of your VR capabilities. It's got a 500-watt power supply in there, as well as additional storage slots. So if you need expandable storage, we'll have a standard 3.5 or 2.5 inch bay, as well as a few PCIe Express bays as well for SSD storage. So as I mentioned on our BoostStation, the Lenovo Legion BoostStation, it's all toolless. So simply pull up on the handle here and you slide out the entire case. And with that you can swap out the graphics card, obviously not with it turned on, but it has built-in slots for all your storage, as well as a power supply, and that gives you a little view into the inside of the BoostStation. Right. And simply you can slide it back in when you're done adding your storage or graphics card. And on the back here you'll see all the available ports as well. These are the ports that are built into the graphics card, and then some USB ports on the back here for connectivity, Thunderbolt port, power. So very nice little box here as a companion to our Y740S, which is kind of a new take on a gaming product. Now the Y740S, going back to the Y740S, we'll offer that with up to a i9 9th generation Core H series processor. The display that we offer on this is going to be really nice, up to UHD resolution, and also like 100% sRGB color gamut. So very nice bright display for all your gaming needs. And then up to 32 gigs of memory, a terabyte of SSD storage. We have built-in Dolby Atmos speakers. And as far as the design of the product, it follows the same design features as our previous generation Legion products, with the little shelf on the back, a few USB ports here, micro SD slot, a headphone jack, and if I turn it the other way, Thunderbolt 3 ports as well that offer display out as well as power delivery. So a very slim gaming laptop, one of our slimmest Legion gaming laptops to date, and we think this is a product category that a lot of consumers will enjoy, because you'll be able to take your gaming laptop actually on the go now because it's so slim and sleek. All right. I want to give you a little bit more details on the Legion Y740S here. A few things we've done on this product that's different and new compared to our other Legion products are the keyboard. We've updated the keyboard. The key strokes are a little bit different now. We've added a little bit nice, soft, quiet touch to the keys. Special coating on the keys to last a little bit longer for the durability on the keys. The layout's a little bit different. Our arrow keys are a little bit bigger this year. So just some refinements to the keyboard, right, for this year. So that's what we're calling our True Strike keyboard on the Legion products. Additionally, internally, this product will have what we call our Cold Front 2.0, Legion Cold Front 2.0. Now that's our term for the cooling features that we've implemented on this Legion product in particular. We'll have vapor chamber cooling on this for this year, as well as on the 740S here, it actually has 4 fans. So it should boost all your cooling capabilities. You should be able to run all your high-end applications and games without worrying about heat. And then one last little nice touch on the Legion's Y740 is a built-in fingerprint reader to the power button. So simply tap that. As soon as it boots up, it boots right into through your security prompts and logs you right into Windows. So a very nice, convenient feature. So those are some of the updates that we've added for the Legion Y740S for this year. All right, and the pricing on that will be $10.99 starting out, and we'll have a little bit more information on that as well on Lenovo.com. And then we also are offering this year a few new updated gaming monitors as well as gaming accessories. Some affordable gaming accessories like the K300 gaming keyboard. Comes at a very affordable price of $49, as well. It has your RGB lighting on the keyboard, and then the switches, we've done a lot of testing on them. They're very quiet switches, so keeps the your typing experience and your gaming experience very quiet. And then on the monitor side, we're offering an updated Y25 gaming monitor. It's got 240 hertz refresh rate. It's a 24.5-inch display, and as well as having AMD FreeSync technology and whatnot. So those are some of the updates to our Legion products. We have a lot more information on here. If you want the full details, the nitty-gritty on the specs, just go to Lenovo.com and you'll find all the new information for CES 2020. Thank you.